Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. Okay. So, yeah, energy check-ins, messages, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre po, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, so nagre-reading din po siya ha. Opo, yung lagi kong kasama sa live. Opo, no? So, yeah, message lang kayo and don't forget to follow. And syempre, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, yan, si Kuya Dingsi is open. Opo, ito yung kanyang FB page. You can reach him po doon sa kanyang FB page, no? So, yeah, para ma-entertain niya kayo, o, diba? Ma-entertain. Nasayaw-sayaw siya doon. Nasayaw-sayaw. Entertainin kayo ni Kuya Dingsi. Okay. Hindi, joke lang, o, 'di ba? Ano lang, oo. Yeah, kung anong concern nyo, ilapit nyo po kay kuya, no? Para masolusyonan hanggat kaya. O, 'di ba? Oo. Natawa ako sa entertain, natawa ako sa sayaw-sayaw. My God. Kung makikita nyo ako, nagtatawa ako mag-isa. Okay, so again, yeah, pagdating naman sa ating mga evil eye items, so, ito po isang ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Available in red and black string. So, this is ano po ha, yung merong initial. Okay, may initial po ha. And, yeah, yung initial ng magmamayari pong ilalagay syempre, no? So, pwedeng iregalo, ibibigay lang po or sasabihin lang po kung kanino or kung ano yung initial excuse me, na ilalagay. Okay? Ganon rin po sa iba nating items. Basta po sasabihin. Okay? Pwede po yan ibigay, pwede po yung regalo, basta sasabihin po yung pangalan. Okay? So, ito naman yung ating Evil Eye Ring. So, adjustable, non-tarnish, and hypoallergenic. And, ito naman yung ating isa na okay, design ng ating Evil Eye Bracelet. This is unisex po, ha? Okay, unisex yan. And ito rin. Pareho silang unisex. Okay, this is garterized. And, syempre, isa naman natin is yung ating necklace. So, yan. Okay, so, parating pa lang yung stock ko ulit kasi naubos na. Oo, so parating pa lang. Pero yeah, kung gusto nyo, yes, okay. Parating naman na. Okay, so ito yung ating Evil Eye necklace. Again, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extenders. Okay. So, yeah, and about sa granter, yan. Sabihin nyo lang po kay admin, okay? Para kung gusto nyo, gagawa namin kayo. Okay? So, yun po ha. Hindi na ako mag-i-stock. Ayoko na nung papa-reserve. Yun na lang. Kung sino talaga yung gusto magpagawa. So, kukunin ni admin agad yung details nyo. I don't know kung pati yung, I don't know kung half or ng payment. Okay? Ganun na. Kasi ang dami talagang hindi makasundo. No? So, yeah, please bear with us. Okay, may pag ganun, no? So, yeah, let's start air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong messages for you? Okay, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Messages, please, for air signs. The Three of Cups. Energy ng reconciliation, energy ng occasion, energy ng parang meet-ups, happiness, pag-enjoy, yan, okay? So, the Eight of Cups universe. Meron ako nakukuhang, tawag dyan, may magsa-celebrate dahil may uuwi. Dahil may uuwi. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay? Meron ako nakukuha ditong parang mayroong idadaos dahil darating na may magandang balita. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, that's nice. Merong makikipagbalikan, water sign. Oo. Well, kailangan ko sabihin yun kasi nakita ko, no? Okay. So, Yeah, the Seven of Swords in reverse. The Five of Cups in reverse. Some of you might be dealing with a water sign. Ang daming water dito. Okay? So, some of you, meron ditong nagre-regret or pwedeng meron ditong nangihinayang, oo, na water sign. I don't know why. Yeah, they want a new beginning or a second chance or another chance with you. What's with this Seven of Swords in reverse? Meron ditong aamin ng kasalanan. Okay, may aamin ng kasalanan dito. Gagawa ng, sabihin nating, magandang hakbang. Okay, yeah. The Six of Wands in reverse. So, energy ng pwedeng merong aamin kung bakit nagkaroon ng ganito, ganyan. Merong aako ng kasalanan. Okay? So, kasalanan niya mismo, ha? Yes. Okay. May pag-amin akong nakukuha. Okay. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. Hi! Meron ditong babawi. Sa mga nagawa. Kunyari, nakagawa ng hindi maganda, may babawi. May babawi sila. Parang ganyan. Iba sa inyo, nakakuha ko dito ng may magre-repeat eh. Oo. Air sign. Oo, yung bayad ko pala ganto ganyan. Yes, hindi kayo naman i-ghost nito. Kung ano man, commitments meron kayo. Yes, nakakuha ko na magre-repeat sa'yo. Itong taong ito. Magfa-follow up. Like that. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. Some of you, there's a few, oo, na pwedeng pagkagastusan pagdating sa bahay. May i-fix, may bibilihin. I don't know. This is something like gamit sa bahay. Okay po. So, yeah. Yun lang naman. And some of you, kailangan nyo raw i-forgive yung mga taong umiwan sa inyo. Okay? Especially romantically. Okay. Next is fire signs. Okay. So, anong meron for fire signs? Ating palinawin. Okay. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Anong message for you? Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe po, ha? Okay. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So, inaabisuhan kayo. Inaabisuhan talaga, no? Opo, na magtipid. Okay? Yeah, the Tower in reverse. Pwede kasing may something like pagkakagastusan na hindi inaasahan. Okay? So, tingnan natin itong Knight of Pentacles in reverse. The Six of Cups. Okay. Something important. Okay, na pwedeng pagkakagastusan. Yeah. See the Four of Pentacles in reverse? This is paggastos. Okay, something important ang nakikita kong pagkakagastusan. Okay. At hindi nyo parang may avoid dahil kailangan. Okay. The Five of Cups. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so mayroong disappointments ako nakikita rito within the workplace. Parang ganyan. Merong friend na i-disappoint ka. Parang ganyan. Why? What's with this Three of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Yes. Okay. So, pwedeng pagdating rin sa kaperahan. Okay? May ganyan. 7 and 3. Ito ay 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Kung tutuusin. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng, ang tawag dyan, maloko pagdating sa pera. Be careful. Okay, yeah, the Fool. Maloko. Ha? The scams. Okay? Mga ganyan. Be careful. Mga fire signs. Okay. What else? The Seven of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong nangihinayang. Opo, may nangihinayang na water sign dito. Yeah, gusto makipagayos. The Star in reverse. The Five of Pentacles. Yes. Meron ditong gustong makipag-ayos, nangihinayang sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, they still love you maybe. Or no choice kundi kayo lang. Parang ganyan. Bakit? Meron dito yung parang magsasabi na mali ako, ganyan-ganyan. Yeah, see? The Eight of Wands Universe. Kasi kailangan ka nila, mga ganyan. Yeah, no choice. Pero be careful ha sa taong ito na makikipag-ayos sa'yo. Hindi lahat ng sasabihin niya is totoo. Mas malaki yung chance ang kailangan niya lang sabihin yon para sa sarili niya. Okay? Para sa kanya. Okay, so next, water signs. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. So, ano bang meron for water signs? Okay. Energy for water signs. Okay. Ten of Cups in reversed. So, meron ako nakukuha ditong parang hindi nakuha. So, nandyan yung disappointments. Yeah, the Nine of Swords in reversed. Meron ditong the Wheel of Fortune. This is a message from universe, no? Na sinasabi na kapag hindi nyo pa makuha yung mga gusto ninyo, hayaan nyo lang. Okay? Wag nyong masyadong parang ipilit. Okay? I think si universe ang gumagawa ng paraan. Si universe ang bahala. Parang ganyan. So, wag kayo masyadong ma-stress. Okay? Yeah, strength, universe. Just let go. I-let go nyo muna kung ano yan. Kung ano man itong mga gusto ninyo na mangyari sa buhay nyo. Tapos, parang gusto ko ganito na, gusto ko ganyan. Just let go. Let go nyo muna. Okay? Yeah, message from universe yun. Okay? Yeah, wag kayo magkakaroon ng disappointments dahil hindi nyo makuha-kuha yung mga bagay na nakukuha ng ibang tao. Okay? So, yeah, what else? Water signs. The Seven of Wands in reversed. And the Five of Wands in reversed. Okay. So, energy, this is fire sign. Meron ditong magiging open. May mag-a-unblock. Okay, na fire sign, i-unblock kayo or maybe kayo yung mag-unblock para makipag-ayos. The Five of Wands in reversed. Okay. Meron ditong masisirang luck. Yeah, that's specific. Masisirang luck. So, you need to fix it. Okay? Five of Wands in reverse. Yeah, may makikipag-ayos, no? The Three of Swords in reverse. Okay. So, what else for water signs? Okay. The Ace of Cups. Okay. What's with that? There's an offer. Yeah. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. I'm seeing here another, like, a new beginning. Okay. Galing sa isang tao sa past. Okay. And I think, this is, sabihin kong seryosohan na. Kung sino man tong babalik na to, water sign, earth sign, seryosohan na to. Okay? Nagkaroon ng miss opportunity sa inyong dalawa. So, ngayon, ayaw na magkakaroon ng another, like, parang miss opportunity. Okay? Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Ano tong Five of Pentacles? Some of you, there's an offer coming in. Okay? In general. Yeah. If you fix yung mga kung anumang conflict, yung mga drama, yan. Okay? So, yeah, the Ace of Cups. A new beginning, maybe. A new offer. Yeah, see? The Nine of Pentacles. The Nine of Cups. Some of you, you're there, sabihin nating, pakiramdam nila, kayo yung person nila. Like, kayo yung totally for them. Mga ganyan. So, kahit ano gagawin nila. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Okay. So, next. Earth signs. Okay. ating palinawin ng bahagya. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay, so how are you, Earth signs? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so some of you might be dealing with a Leo. Okay. Surrender. May naririnig ako. Surrender. The Devil. Capricorn energy. So what's with that? The Five of Pentacles. In reversed. What's with this Devil? Some of you may makikipag-ayos sa inyo. Lalo na kay Capricorn. Okay? Ano tong the Devil? The Seven of Swords in reversed. Kilala mo kung sino itong makikipag-ayos na ito sa'yo, Capricorn. And, kilala mo rin yung ugali niya. Okay? So, it's up to you. Kung maniniwala ka ba or hindi. Makikipag-ayos sa'yo ito. Yeah. See? The Three of Pentacles. Some of you, this is your friend na talagang binackstab ka. Okay? Yes. Co-worker. Ganyan. Siniraan ka. That's so specific. Okay, what else for you, Earth signs? The Ace of Swords in reversed. May re-reject ang iba sa inyo. Okay. Ooh, the Hierophant in reverse. A commitment. Yeah, maybe someone is not ready for a commitment. Okay. Yeah. A big responsibility na pwedeng hindi mo tatanggapin. Kasi mas malaki yung magiging responsibilidad. If ever, some of you, this is promotion. Yeah. What's with the Ace of Swords in reversed? Yeah, see? With legalizations. Meron ditong something, energy ng promotion. May pirmahan dito, ganyan, ganito. Pero may kaakibat na malaking responsibilidad. Okay? Yeah, there's an offer coming in na pwedeng, I don't know kung matatakot ka ba or hindi mo tatanggapin dahil ayaw mo. Dahil magkakaroon ka ng maraming responsibilidad. Like that. Okay? Iba naman dito, this is like an energy of marriage. Okay? Meron ditong takot pa na mag-commit or takot pa na mag-propose, mga ganyan. Takot pang mag-say, I do. Mga ganyan. Na? Okay. Justice will be served. And may naririnig din akong ganyan. Okay, so what else? Earth signs. The Nine of Swords. There's an air sign na actually laging pwedeng iniisip mo or pwedeng vice versa. Yeah, the Emperor in reversed. Some of you, ini-stress kayo ng father or someone like a father figure or a mother figure. Okay? Tingnan natin ano tong Emperor in reversed. What's with the Emperor in reversed? Yeah. The Eight of Swords. Ginagawa kang stuck ng taong to, kung sino man ito. They're in control over you, maybe. Okay? So, kailangan dito makaalis ka sa kanya. Kailangan ka makarelease dito. I don't know, some of you work. Boss. Okay? Stress nang naibibigay sa inyo. Some of you kailangan yung parang lumayo-layo sa stress. Magpahinga kahit konti. Okay? Yeah. Pakalayo-layo muna ng konti. Okay? So, yun ba naman? Talaga kasing parang stuck na stuck ka dito eh. Sa isang to. Okay? tinatrap ka niya ng maigi. So, matatrap ka lang yan, okay, kung hayaan mong matrap ka. Kung hindi ka magkakaroon ng plano para sa sarili mo, or kung hindi ka action para sa sarili mo, hindi ka makakaalis dito. Okay, dahil alam nila ang control ka nila. Okay, so it's up to you pa rin kung ano magiging decision meron. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!